Pika, 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 Pika. Pikachu, Pikachu. Pikachu.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how I made this cute, stylized Pokemon video, step by step in MagicEdit, so you can recreate the same effect yourself, even if it's your first time building a workflow. And believe it or not, the whole thing took me about 2 minutes to make. Alright, let's jump right in. Step 1. Head over to MagicEdit.app and open Magic Canvas. Create a new workflow to start fresh. First, add a text file input node. Upload the prompt file, 1 prompt per line. I'll include the full prompt file down in the description. Next, add a text to image node and connect it to your prompt. For the model, select Seed Dream. It works great for creative animated styles like this. Now add the first and last frame node. Connect the image output to the image array input of this node. In the text prompt box, type something like, have the camera circle around the subject and make the subject's movement look natural and fluid. Finally, add a video merger node. This is what stitches all the videos together. Connect the first and last frame node to the video merger. Once everything's set up, go ahead and run all the nodes in your workflow. Then just be patient. Grab a cup of coffee, come back in a bit, and it'll be ready. We can check out the generated images first. And wow, they look so cute and adorable. After that, check out your final video output. Lastly, speed up the video a little in your favorite editor to match your vibe. And that's it. You've got a cute, stylized Pokemon video. Kind of like a mini cinematic iFish loop. Smooth, natural, and ready to share.